Want to share music in Instagram DM but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to One Stop Solution. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to share music in Instagram DM. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the messenger icon from the top right corner of your screen. Then choose the person that you want to send the music to. Select sticker option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on the music button from here. Now select the music that you want to share. And that's how you can share music in Instagram DM. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.